Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornivison back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing probably the most amazing song I've heard guitar-wise so far this year. It's called Wasted on You by Wallen, and this is literally the first time I've heard him or heard of him, and I gotta say I'm impressed. Okay, it's kind of like a rock acoustic vibe with a little bit of country, but you're gonna love it. So we're going to be playing this with basic chords. Make sure your guitar is standard tuning. Put your cap on fret number 2, and the first chord we have is a G. So now for G, I'm going to show you the strums first, so that for those of you who are beginners, you can play the strums of the song, and then we'll jump into the whole. Alright, so that being said, so if you want to strum the song, it's going to be pretty simple. We're playing G, A minor, F, and then C. G, A minor, F, and C. Okay, and my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So down, 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 down. Actually at the end, okay? So if you want to play the more advanced version, I'm strumming 6-4-2 while holding how you'd hold G major, the top strings only. So I'm cycling this from fret number 3 to fret number 4 to fret number 5, okay? So that so you're going to be plucking the same strings for all 3 slides, for all 3 positions. And then you go to let me show you this riff. It's on your B string. You slide from 3 to 5, and then you go to your E string and hammer on from 3 to 5. So that's slide. With your ring finger, you slide from 3 to 5, and then your index finger goes to 3rd fret of the E string, and you hammer on to the 5th string of the E string, the 5th fret, sorry, of the E string. So, and then you come back to 5th fret of the B string. So that's, you can do that with your middle finger, or you can bring back the ring finger. Okay, so you can either hammer onto this 5th fret or play open E, which is pretty simple. Okay, so sorry, and then you go to F, and for F you're basically strumming 6 4 3 2 3 4, 6 4 3 2 3 4, and then C, same thing, 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 3 4, 5 4 3 2 3 4. Okay, so G, then the riff, and then we go to F, and then for C we go again. You could either play, or you could play the bass and then riff again. So that becomes So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. It was actually easier than I thought it would be. When you listen to the song, you think, oh my god, that is a lot to play, but it's clearly not. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.